So last September, YouTube decided to remove the ability to disable related videos that play after your own videos when you embed them on your blog or your website or wherever. So now what kind of happens is once your video has stopped playing, it just shows all these related videos from other people, which is really distracting. It takes people away from your own content, takes them off in umpteen different directions if there's anything there that comes up that interests them. So how do we solve that? Well, there's a number of ways we can do this, and I've found a really simple one. Struggled with this a lot yesterday. If you're like me, you might have spent hours trawling through blog posts and videos and stuff that are a little bit out of date and don't actually work. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this now, because I managed to do this myself yesterday. What I was doing was I was updating an old video on my website, and I wanted to just put another update onto it. So I set up a little 2-video playlist, and I wanted to work out how I could disable the related videos after that. So I've found out a way to do that. You actually can't stop it from showing related videos, but what you can do is make sure those videos come from your channel, which is actually a really good thing when you think about it, because if people are going to watch one of your videos and then the next thing that comes up are your playlist, and once that's finished it just continues showing more of your videos, then there's a good chance that you're going to get an awful lot more engagement on your channel, which is a good thing. It means that, okay, you're getting related videos, but they're your videos rather than someone else's. Okay, so let's jump onto the computer and I'll show you quite quickly how to do this. So here we are inside my YouTube channel. This is what I actually did yesterday, so I'll show you exactly what you need to do, but I've already done it. Okay, so you navigate into your YouTube channel and then find your playlists, which are underneath the video manager, you can see there. And I'm just doing this 2-video playlist working on at the moment. So I'm just going to click Edit Playlist. And then down here, this is a little bit confusing to find, but it's actually down here. You think you're going to edit your profile or something, but actually this is to edit the playlist. So we're going to go here. Now there's 2 ways to do this. You might see some stuff on here which you don't have on your channel. This is a brilliant thing to add to your channel and actually makes this, once you discover it, much easier. But if you do it, this is a thing called TubeBuddy. If you head over to tubebuddy.com, this is there's a free version which I have, and there are also various upgrades you can do. It's excellent stuff if you're serious about YouTube. It gives you all sorts of tools and really helpful resources and tools and stuff, and there's also a community there with some brilliant videos and stuff. So if you've got a Chrome browser, you can go ahead, it's an extension. You just go to tubebuddy.com and you'll find all the stuff you need to do. So this actually installs or sits on your YouTube channel. So if you've got TubeBuddy, you can just go to this. Okay, so we're on the playlist. That's all selected. You've got the traditional share or embed thing, which we'll come to in a second if you don't have TubeBuddy. But if you do have TubeBuddy, it has this feature here called Advanced Embed. And you'll see here, this has got a lot of the stuff that you don't get on your standard YouTube channel anymore. It's like a little customizable player really, and amongst that you have hide suggested videos, and you'll see if I untick that, just look at the code here. This is what we're going to concentrate on. If you notice what happens when I hit hide suggested videos, what it's really just done is added a little piece of code here, and it's this here. Okay, that's really what we need before the exclamation mark. So it's ampersand or plus sign REL equals 0. Now you've probably seen videos, as I have, when you were doing this search, that suggest you can use question mark rel equals 0. I tried that yesterday on a single video and it did work, but it did not work with a playlist. It just gave me that kind of fuzzy video unavailable thing, which was no use at all. But this really does work. Okay, so you can either, if you don't have TubeBuddy, you can, well, sorry, this is TubeBuddy. You just want to copy that code. Okay, so you highlight that, copy it, then head over to your WordPress page you want to put this on. And like I say, I already did this yesterday. So you want to go to HTML, so you can see this in HTML. Find the bit of code for your video, which is this iframe section here. Okay, and like I say, I've done this, so you want to paste that in, that whole code right in there. okay, and you'll see that's got the plus rel equals 0 thing on there, okay. So that's what we want to do. That's if you have TubeBuddy. Okay, and now if we preview that, you will see that's the video on my website. Now you can see here it's got playlist in here, playlist just called update. Okay, so there are 2 videos on there. You can, the visitor to your website can click through, watch the second one. Do that, and then we'll go right to the end of that second one. So this is the end of the playlist, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so now this is just bringing up more of my videos from my channel. They're kind of randomly selected, but that is, I'm sure you'll agree, much, much, much better than your video being followed by a whole bunch of random videos that may distract people from your message. Okay, so if you don't have the advanced embed thing, if you don't have TubeBuddy, you're going to have to just manually add that little piece of code in. So what you want to do is go to embed. Understand this is available in your YouTube channel, and then if we just go along to the part of the code which we need, which is here. Okay, so that is the code, if you like, that's the piece of code for your playlist. Okay, now if you just leave that standard code, like I say, you're going to get those embedded videos. So what we want to do here is just manually pop in +sign rel equals 0, okay, and then take that whole code and just follow exactly the same process. Pop that into your WordPress page where you want that to happen. Okay, so that's a pretty simple way of doing things. I'm sure you'll agree. Saves you an awful lot of hassle, and you know, it possibly is going to get you more watch time on your videos, because people are going to be taken to your videos rather than other people's. So that's it, simple as that. I hope you find that really useful. If you do, just give me some love, give me some likes, subscribe, share. I've been Dave Menzies at davemenzies.com and DM online. Cheers for now, bye bye.